Good morning, guys. Today we're doing our lessons asynchronously. That means it's going to be done on your own time. There will be no Zooms or scheduled meetings for myself or for any of your teachers. You can reach me via email if you have any questions. I can be reached at kaceve@neisd.net. But for today's assignment, what you're going to do is, as you can see, here's the agenda. You are going to complete the form titled Eli Monday President's Day Check-in. So it will look like this. You're going to click on this, and this is the form that's going to pop up. You're going to put your student email address, your last name, your first name, and for my class, your ELAR block is 7th 8. So I thought since today is President's Day, it would be fun to do a president as a fun writing response. So I want you to think about the day that you were born. For example, I was born on August 29th. So what I would do is I would Google who the 29th president was. Once you find out the 29th president, you are going to do number one, which is name an election year of your president. Then I want you to tell me an interesting fun fact about your president. And then I want you to tell me why this fun fact is interesting to you. Make sure you're putting it over here and answering these questions. And I would love for you guys to make sure that you are using complete sentences as well. Once you have finished this assignment, then you're done for my class for the day. Make sure you check in all your other classes and do the assignments in there. Again, if y'all have any questions or you need anything, I'm here for you. Just email me and I will respond as soon as possible. Have a great snow day. Bye.